Easy homemade burritos recipe, delicious and flavorful. Famous food from famous countries Part 2. Homemade burritos, American dish. Hey everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we're going to embark on a culinary adventure as we dive into the world of homemade burritos. Whether you're cooking for your family, friends, or just treating yourself, this recipe is sure to satisfy those taste buds. So, without further ado, let's roll up our sleeves and get started with the ingredients. Let's take a closer look at what you'll need. 1 pound of ground beef, the perfect base for our flavorful filling. 1 onion, finely chopped, to add a sweet and savory kick. 2 cloves of garlic, minced, because, let's be honest, garlic makes everything better. 1 bell pepper, diced, for that burst of color and freshness. 1 cup of cooked rice, a key ingredient to add heartiness to our burrito. 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, for a protein boost. 1 cup of corn kernels, whether fresh, frozen, or canned, it adds a touch of sweetness. 1 teaspoon of cumin, for that warm, earthy flavor. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, to spice things up a bit. Salt and pepper to taste, because seasoning is key. Flour tortillas, the vessel that brings it all together. Shredded cheese, go with your favorite blend, we're aiming for gooey goodness. Toppings, salsa, guacamole, sour cream, and fresh cilantro, because a burrito without toppings is like a day without sunshine. Now that we've got our ingredients, let's jump into the preparation. In a sizzling skillet over medium heat, let's start by browning our ground beef until it's perfectly cooked. Toss in the finely chopped onion and minced garlic, letting them dance in the pan until the onion turns translucent. Introduce the diced bell pepper, black beans, and corn to the party, creating a symphony of colors and textures. Sprinkle in the cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper, ensuring that every bite is packed with flavor. Once the vegetables are tender and the spices have melded with the other ingredients, introduce the cooked rice, letting it soak up all that savory goodness. While our filling is simmering to perfection, warm up the flour tortillas in a separate pan or microwave for about 15 seconds, making them pliable for the ultimate burrito assembly. Now, the pièce de résistance, spoon the flavorful filling onto each tortilla, generously sprinkle with your chosen shredded cheese, and get ready to roll. Don't forget to add your favorite toppings, whether it's the freshness of salsa, the creaminess of guacamole, the tanginess of sour cream, or the aromatic touch of fresh cilantro. Now comes the fun part, assembling and serving your delicious homemade burritos. Fold the sides of the tortilla and then roll it up, creating a snug bundle of flavor. Arrange them on a plate, and voila, your homemade burritos are ready to steal the spotlight at any mealtime. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed making these burritos as much as I did. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Feel free to drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or any modifications you made to the recipe. Until next time, happy cooking, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you very much homemade burritos lovers.